What do you need to do to make your natural ecosystem thrive? Well, the short answer is nothing. But I will tell you what I do, and I've sorted them in 4 parts. Number 1. Don't worry if something changes. Just as in the real world, stuff changes, and a world in a glass box is no different. Algae might appear, or even snails, but these things usually happen to help the ecosystem keep its balance, and usually disappears over time. Number 2. If something worries you, investigate. Sometimes when something changes, it can be something bad. Like for example if you see a white dot on your fish, because that can be a fish keeper's biggest enemy. But it doesn't have to be something bad like that. It can also be algae that doesn't want to go away. So keep an eye on your ecosystems, because sometimes everyone needs a little help. Number 3. If you don't like something, change it. It's very important to remember that it is your choice to do whatever you want. If you don't like a plant or want to try another method, it is your choice. Because it's not only an ecosystem, it's also your garden. So if it is some kind of maintenance other than in my list, you should do it if you want. Number 4. Be patient. Like with most things in life, you should be patient, and this is also true with ecosystems. Don't stress it by changing too much. It needs time to become balanced, and all the waiting you will do will be worth it. I realize now that most of these things I have told you does not have to do with maintenance. And that kind of answers the question about what maintenance you need to do. You don't need to do any maintenance, but you can. It is your choice. And with that, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it, and if so, please leave a like and consider subscribing. Also, I would like to hear what kind of maintenance you do. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.